M1 and M2 are in free space kept at separation small r if they are released from rest. If they are released from rest, find distance moved by M1, distance moved by M1 before M1 and M2 collide. Before M1 and M2 collide. Please solve.
Excuse me, sir, can you scroll up? Thank you, sir.
All those who did not send the answer yesterday, please write your name in the chat box. I gave two questions to solve and send the answer. Those who did not do, write your names right now in chat box. Immediately. Okay, everyone, please pay attention for this question. In this question, actually, what is happening that M1 and M2 are at rest initially. Pay attention to words which I am using. So, as M1 and M2 were at rest initially, as M1 and M2 both are at rest initially, and no external force is acting on them, no external force is acting on them, then their center of mass should remain stationary. Should remain stationary. Okay. Why center of mass should remain stationary? Because no external force is acting on them. M1 and M2 are going to move due to their own internal force. M1 and M2 are going to move due to their own internal force. Correct? And as the movement is due to internal force, center of mass should not move. So wherever the center of mass was initially, it will be somewhere along the line joining the two masses, and the coordinates we know. Its distance from M1 will be M2R upon M1 plus M2. So basically M1 and M2 will move in such a way that center of mass is not moving at all. M1 and M2 will move that the center of mass will not move at all. Basically, they are going to collide at center of mass. They are going to collide at center of mass. So hence M1 and M2 are going to collide at center of mass. M1 and M2 are going to collide at center of mass. Thus, distance moved by M1, thus distance moved by M1 will be, and that distance will be d is equal to M2R upon M1 plus M2. M2R upon M1 plus M2. M2R upon M1 plus M2. So this will be the distance moved by M1. How much will be distance moved by M2? That distance will be M1R upon M1 plus M2. Okay. So this was the question actually. Next question. So there is a platform So this platform is of mass capital M and length L. And this platform is kept on smooth ground. What type of ground? Smooth. So basically there is no friction between platform and ground. Okay. Now there is a person of mass small m who is standing at end A, and there is another end B. So a man of mass m, question is, I am writing the question. A man of mass m is standing on end A of a smooth platform. End A of a smooth platform. If man goes from A to B, if man goes from A to B on the platform, find distance moved by the platform. Find distance moved by the platform. Please find everyone. Please solve and calculate. Everyone, please pay attention and see what is happening in this question. As the ground is smooth, so ground cannot exert any friction. Okay. As ground is smooth, hence it cannot exert any friction. Now, what is meaning of that? That means on small m plus capital M system, there is no external horizontal force acting, which means on small m plus capital M system, there is no external force acting there is no external force acting in horizontal direction. Each and every word is important. So that means there is no external horizontal force acting on M plus M system. Now what does it mean? It means that wherever the center of mass of M plus M system is, it should remain there only. It means that due to absence of external horizontal force, due to absence of external horizontal force, center of mass of M plus M system should not move. Center of mass of M plus M system should not move. Okay. So M plus M system center of mass should not move in horizontal. Right? Now, what I am doing, I am assuming that initially the center of mass is at origin. Assuming that initially the center of mass is at origin. So finally where it should be, it should remain at origin only. Now pay attention. Origin means 0. Okay. Listen carefully. We are knowing that this man is going from A to B. The man is going from A to B. We are also assuming that the platform goes X in the same direction. Now try to understand what will happen. Capital M into X. Capital M into X. This is M1 X1 plus small m, and how much small m will move? X due to platform, because platform itself is moving, plus L due to its own motion because it is going from A to B, upon capital M plus small m. So we have applied M1 X1 plus M2 X2 upon M1 plus M2. If please everyone see whether you have understood this point or not. This is the crucial point. For capital M platform, it has moved by X. We have assumed that. Okay. And small m, the man, it is moving L due to his own motion because he is going from A to B. And X due to the platform because platform is also moving X. That we have assumed. Right. Now what we need to do? We need to find the value of X. Why? Because the question was that only, that how much the platform has moved. So now pay attention everyone. This m plus m, when they are going to multiply with 0, it will become 0. So capital Mx plus small mx plus small ml is equal to 0. And that gives x is equal to minus ml upon m plus m. So this will be the value of x. This will be the value of x. Okay. Now what this minus sign is indicating here? Here minus sign indicates that the platform will be moving in opposite direction. Here minus sign indicates that the platform will move in opposite direction. The platform will move in opposite direction. Please note everyone. You need to write each and every word. You need to write each and every word. Understood everyone? Any doubt, any question? Any doubt, any question? Okay, next question. Let it be. So this is a platform, again ML, and the ground is smooth. And the ground is smooth. This time there are two persons. This is M1 and this is M2. Okay. So question says, again I am not going to write the whole story. I am simply saying if M1 and M2 interchange their position. If M1 and M2 interchange their positions, find distance moved by platform. Okay. The rest everything is ekdam same, almost same. as the last question. Please find. Tanmay is saying L into M2 minus M1 upon capital M. Give your answers, Sakshi, Amod, rest of the people. We are solving these questions in detail because this is one of the most crucial and it has the one of the most weightage in all the competitions. Okay. From this chapter, multiple questions can come in any competition. Any means any. Amod is saying M1L upon M2 plus M1 plus M. Okay. Waiting for one more answer and then I'll solve. Quickly give answers, everyone. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. Pay attention and note what is happening in the diagram. So I am assuming again that platform will move X in right direction. Platform, I am assuming that it will move by X in right direction. Initially, I am assuming that everything was at origin. That means center of mass was at origin. So it was at 0 and the surface is smooth. So center of mass should not move at all. So center of mass should remain at origin itself, 0. So now what is happening? Pay attention. Platform is moving X, so capital M into X. Right? Okay. Now M1 is going to another end. So how much total M1 will move? X due to motion of platform and L due to his own motion. So plus m1 into x plus L. Right? Right. Now this is m1. What about m2? So let us see. For m2, what will happen? So M2 will move x due to platform, but minus L due to its own motion upon total mass m1 plus m2 plus capital M. So when we are going to, if you have understood this equation, then rest everything will be cakewalk. The only crucial part in this question was this only. Once again I am repeating, capital M, which is platform, is moving x, right? So mx. M1 will move how much? See, x with the platform, so x, and L due to its own motion, because it is going from this end to that end, right? So total how much it is moving? It is moving x plus L in right direction. Now let us talk about M2. How much M2 is moving? M2 is moving, sir, x in right direction due to platform, because it is on the platform. Secondly, it is going minus L due to its own motion, because it is going to the opposite end, right? Right. And when all these motions are happening, center of mass of the system, which system? M1, M2 and capital M, should not move at all. So now it is just a cakewalk. We just need to calculate the values. So 0 is equal to mx plus m1x plus m1l plus m2l minus, no, m2x plus m2x minus m2l. That's it. So, bhaiyo bahno, what we can see, mx plus m1 plus m2. So, minus x times m plus m1 plus m2 is equal to m1 minus m2 into L. So x comes up to be minus m1 minus m2 into L upon m plus m1 plus m2. How many of you could solve it correctly? How many of you could solve it correctly? How many of you could solve it correctly? Hmm. 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 So I just increased one more object and none of you could solve it. Are you getting it? So your concepts need to be extremely clear rather than simply following formulas, putting values, getting answer, or simply mugging answers. I don't want that. I want your concepts to be very clear. Okay, next question. This question is based on a
Please
slightly
scroll up.
similar.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. So in this question, this is a platform, mass is capital M. This is ground, which is smooth. and there is a man of mass small m. Okay. So the question says a man of mass small m, a man of mass small m is standing on a platform, okay, of mass capital M. If man jumps, if man jumps towards right with speed u, find speed of platform. This is the question. This is the question. All right. Hmm. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. Enough time given. Now, in this question, listen carefully. In this question, initially capital M and small m system is at rest. Okay. So, as initially capital M and small m system is at rest and the surface is smooth. Basically, surface cannot exert any force on m plus m system along horizontal because surface is smooth, right? So what will happen? The initial momentum, or you can say initial velocity of center of mass, which was 0, final velocity of center of mass will also remain the same. So I'm not going to write all these things because we have written all these things many times, but I am explaining again in words that as initially velocity of center of mass is 0 and surface is smooth, hence final velocity of center of mass should also be 0. So this man is jumping with velocity u. So VCM, which was 0 initially, is equal to small m u, okay, plus capital M V. I am assuming that the platform will move with velocity capital V after the man jumps. After the man jumps, okay, upon capital M plus small m. Okay, I am writing here. Here, capital V is velocity of platform. Here, capital V is velocity of platform after the man jumps. After the man jumps. Okay. So that gives us basically small mu plus capital MV is equal to 0 and V comes out to be minus mu upon capital M. Now, what is significance of this minus sign? So here minus sign indicates that platform will move in opposite direction. Platform will move in opposite direction. Okay. Please note all these words which I have written because each and every word is important and just slight change in any of the word can change the meaning of question and can change the answer also. Okay. So keep that thing in mind. Keep that thing in mind that each word is important. Okay. How it is important, I am going to tell you just now by an example. I hope you all have noted and I am giving you next question. IPQ. If man jumps, with speed u, towards right with respect to platform platform. Find speed of platform. Find speed of platform after the man jumps. After the man jumps. Now, first of all, I am telling you to read this question and read previous question and tell me that what is the difference between the two. Okay. The first check is to identify that what is the difference. If you identify the difference, then only you can think of solving it correctly. If you are not able to identify that what is the difference between this question and previous question, then forget about solving. Okay. Please read the question and tell me what is the difference between this and the previous one. Yes, Tanmay is right. In the previous question, speed of man was with respect to ground. In this question, speed of man is with respect to platform. Yes. Now find the answer. The difference was in the previous question, speed of man was given with respect to ground. In this question, speed of man is given with respect to platform. Okay. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. So let us get back to the diagram. Don't pay too much attention to the wheels of platform. What is happening? This man, initially the velocity was given with respect to ground. Okay, this time they are saying that velocity is given with respect to the platform. Pay attention, everyone. We are assuming that the platform is going to move with velocity v towards right. So assuming that platform will move with velocity v, capital V, towards right. Okay, so how much was initial velocity of center of mass? 0. So how much should be the final velocity of center of mass? It should be 0 because surface is smooth. So there is no external horizontal force acting on capital M plus small m system. Mind it. So final should also be 0, and that is equal to, now pay attention, platform is moving with V, so capital M into V, plus, now with respect to platform, man was moving with U naught. So with respect to ground, with how much man will be moving? So it will be capital V plus U naught. Once again, I am explaining, pay attention everyone. Platform is moving with respect to ground is capital V, correct? And that we have assumed. Right everyone? Okay. Now with respect to this platform, man was moving with u naught. So how much will be the man's velocity with respect to ground? It will be velocity of platform, which is capital V plus u naught, right? Upon capital M plus small m. We applied m1 v1 plus m2 v2 upon m1 plus m2. Now you can pay attention that all the values which we are keeping in the formula of v and velocity of man, these are with respect to ground, correct? Capital V is with respect to ground and v plus u naught is also with respect to ground. This was the key point in this question. So that gives us, pay attention, capital MV plus small mv plus mu naught is equal to 0, and that gives us v is equal to minus mu naught upon capital M plus small m. Okay. Now the point again is minus sign indicates that platform is moving in opposite direction. All right, everyone. All right. Any doubt? Any question? Aryan? Any doubt? Any question? Yes. Any doubt? Any question? Rishabh? Zenobia? Sanika? Okay. 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 Good. 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 So keep these type of questions in mind. All right. I'm giving you one more question. So there are two persons, M1, M2, or let us take MM only. Okay, both are of same mass. And this is platform of mass capital M. This is ground, which is smooth. Everything is at rest initially. If, let me call them A and B. If A and B jump towards right with speed
So please scroll up a bit.
u, find speed of platform, find speed of platform after both A and B jump. Okay, so this is the question, and I am scrolling as per the
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So scroll down.
Okay, everyone, pay attention. In this question, initially the whole system is at rest. Now finally, I am going to make them jump one by one. Okay. So let's say after first jump, velocity of platform becomes v1. So capital M v1 plus, now when m is going with v1, small m will also move with v1, right? Plus another one is moving with u. So small m u upon capital M plus 2 times m. All right. So I have written all the velocities of three masses and I moved one out. So that gives us V1 is equal to minus mu upon m plus m. This is V1. This is jump after jump of first particle, right? Or first man. Now after second jump, this is after first jump. After second jump, so what will happen? Now we are assuming that the velocity becomes v2. We are assuming that velocity becomes v2, but this time there is a problem. And what is the problem? That initially the system is moving. Initially the system is moving, and moving with how much? System is moving with this much velocity v1. Okay, so what you can do, the initial velocity of system should be equal to final velocity of system. All right. So again, we are assuming that v2 becomes the velocity after the second jump. So what we can write is, how much is initial? That is v1. So that will be minus mu upon m plus m, and that will be equal to capital M v2, because that is the velocity of capital M after the second jump. Okay. Plus small mu, because it is jumping with u only. Okay. And when nothing is given, if read the question carefully, if A and B jump towards right with speed u, so it is not mentioned with respect to what? Is with the ground. That velocity is with respect to ground. All right.
Sir, your voice isn't clear, sir.
Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So pay attention what I am saying, that this was the initial velocity for second jump, right? And after jump we are assuming that velocity became v2. So capital M into v2 plus small mu should be upon m plus m should be equal to the initial velocity. Why? Because velocity along horizontal should not change. So if you are simplifying, then what you will get, this got cancelled. So minus 2 mu is equal to mv2, and this gives you v2 is equal to minus 2 mu upon m. Okay. Okay. So ultimately, the answer which you are getting is correct. Many of you posted the same answer, right? Now I am making slight change in the question. IPQ, if A and B jump with speed u, if A and B jump with speed u with respect to platform. Now your answer will change. Okay. IPQ, that means in the previous question, if A and B will jump, or A and B jump with speed u with respect to platform, find speed of platform when both jump off. Okay, please find.
So what is the question for Sunday's test?
What was the portion for last test? Hmm.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, on the coming Sunday we have a test, right?
Yes.
So, but the Mount Litra students are answering their exams, no?
So what? They are Litera students. You are Stellar students. You need to write the test.
Okay, sir. So, what is the portion for the test?
What was the portion for last test?
Newton's law.
So it will be work power energy this time.
Okay, sir.
In this time, friction will also be there in the exam. Okay. Friction will be there, pseudo force will be there, Newton's law in circular motion will be there, and work per energy will be there. Okay, everyone please pay attention. Please pay attention
Sir,
in
can
this
you
question.
Repeat what you just said.
I'll write it in the chat box. First pay attention to the question. So initially the system is at rest. So velocity of center of mass will be at 0. Now after first jump, we are assuming that the platform recoils with V1, right? Or platform goes in same direction with V1. So M plus M, because they both are on the platform. So M plus M into V1 plus small m, and this will be U plus V1 upon capital M plus 2M. Okay, this will be the scenario. This will be the scenario. This is after first jump. After first jump. Okay, so that will give us this is 0 is equal to capital M plus M, in fact let me call it 2M into V1 plus mu. Okay, so V1 comes out to be minus mu upon M plus 2M. This is after first jump. Picture अभी बाकी है. Now after second jump.
voice is cracking?
After second jump. So how much was the velocity initially? This is already there. So V1 is equal to, now we are assuming that V2 becomes velocity after next jump. So M into V2, because only platform will be left this time, plus small m V2 plus U, because man is jumping with respect to U only. Okay, so that gives us V1 is equal to capital M plus small m, capital M plus small m into V2 plus small mu. Okay, so how much will be V2 this time upon, just a second, here M plus M will also be there, M plus M, here M plus M will also be there, because this time we are not multiplying it with 0, so we need to take care of what is there in the denominator. Okay, so pay attention. M plus M V1 is equal to or minus mu is equal to M plus M V2. So V2 will be M plus M V1 upon M plus M minus mu upon M plus M. So this will get cancelled. So bhaiyo bahno, V2 comes out to be V1 minus mu upon M plus M. This will be the answer. V1 we have already calculated, so you can put that value of V1. You can put that value of V1. Where is V1? Here is V1. Okay. Quickly solve everyone, and give me the answer. All of you are getting this answer only? Tanmay, Amod, Amal, Sakshi, Yash.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I did not get the step before we found V1.
First you note, then I'll discuss once again. Pay attention. I am explaining once again everything right from the beginning. Okay. So after first jump, see, initially the center of mass was at rest. Why center of mass was at rest? Because all three, capital M and A and B, which are MM, are at rest. So when one person is jumping, initially the center of mass is at rest. So even after the jump, center of mass should remain at rest. So what I did, 0, which was initial velocity of center of mass, is equal to how much mass is left on the platform, mass of platform and mass of one person, so that is m plus m, into velocity, which is v1, plus with how much velocity small m is going. So small m is going with v1 plus u, because this time velocity is given with respect to platform. All right, and when we calculated, we got v1 is equal to minus mu upon m plus 2m. So this is velocity after the first jump or jump of one person, correct? Now after second jump, we are assuming that velocity of platform has become v2. We are assuming that. Okay, so now this v2 velocity, which is occurring after the second jump, now again in this whole system we have capital M, which is platform, and small m, one other person left, right? So as the ground is smooth yet, so velocity of center of mass, which is now only two persons, it should remain v only, or v1. That velocity should not change. That velocity should not change. So v1 should be equal to capital M into v2 plus small m into v2 plus u, because velocity of jump is with respect to the platform. Velocity of jump is with respect to the platform. How much is velocity of platform now? It is v2. So how much will be the velocity of man? It will be v2 plus u. v2 plus u. All right. So now you need to solve and get the answer. After that, only mathematical calculation is left. Only mathematical calculation is left after that. All right. Say yes, sir. Say yes, sir. These questions are really good questions. I want all of you to revise all these questions once again after the class. Okay. Do revise these questions. Do revise these questions. These will sharpen your brain, sharpen your understanding, how to use your brain, that also these questions tell. Okay. Unlike rest of the questions which are just formula based, in which you simply put values in formula and get the answer, here what you need to do, you need to apply understanding. So it is good for growth of your brain. So solve these questions once again, and we'll discuss further in next class. All right. Thank you so much.